Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and it is 9:30 at night and I am going to be heading out on the road tomorrow. My husband and I are driving to Florida. We're going to the Villages. Believe it or not, we have a lifestyle visit at the Villages, so I am going to be vlogging that trip. But I wanted to I've been, packing and getting everything ready this week. I have been trying to get everything done so that we can, go with nothing to worry about. And I've also been thinking about all the videos that I want to make sure come out while we're away so I don't miss a beat. So I've been doing videos. So by the time you see this video, it'll be the Friday, probably when we are just getting back. So yeah, I'm way ahead of the game here, but I wanted to do one last video because I did not have anything for the Friday of that last week. So when you're seeing this, it's going to be like October 15th. But it's actually October 1st right now, and we're getting ready to head out. So you have to excuse me because I have just been running around crazy all day and all night trying to get everything done. So this is not anything that, I probably have looking a little ragged right now, but that's okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on my set of nails for the trip, and I have these really pretty that I think are kind of fall-like, and these are Kiss Gel Fantasy, and the color is, I think this is called Tamano Largo. I'm not sure, and I'm not sure if you can see that. But anyway, I had my nails that I had on were also the long length, and I just cut them down, and I think that they are so pretty. I liked this color. I've already started to lose some, but that's okay. So I'm just going to take off these nails, and then I'm gonna give my nails a quick file, and then I'm just gonna glue these on and cut them down and then show you how they come out. So come on down. Guys, so this was just the quickest little DIY manicure, and I really cut them down because you could see that they were really long as I was doing them, but I really cut them down, and I think these are going to be perfect for my vacation. They're not that long, but they're very pretty, and they're very fall, like a pretty fall color. So for 5 of 10 at night, I can do a quick manicure. And I could have never had my nails done before leaving on this trip because I had absolutely no time for anything. So that's why I really love these kiss nails and these glue-on nails, because you can just give yourself just a really pretty manicure in about 15 minutes. You know, these take a little bit longer because I have to trim them down, but you know, they file so good. They're so easy. It's just like a little, you know, movement with the file, because I cannot file nails, but these really do look good. I'm very, very happy with how they came out on this quick DIY manicure. So guys, I am going to be vlogging the trip and sharing as much of it with you as I possibly can. If you have never heard of the Villages, because I'm finding out that more and more people have not heard of the Villages, but it's just a retirement community in Florida, that's Central Florida. It's not too far from Disney, and we are going down there. Anyway guys, thank you so much for you know, watching this video and for subscribing to my channel. I have a bunch of new subscribers and I'm so happy that you guys are all here, new to my channel today. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.